Welcome to this tutorial where we discuss how to render an HTML zip file to PDF in C#. Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to take a zip file containing HTML and assets and render it directly to a PDF document using IronPDF in C#. So the first thing we're going to do is download and install the IronPDF from the NuGet Package Manager. So just search for IronPDF and then add it to your project. Next, open your program.cs file, and at the top, add the IronPDF namespace and then set your license key. Then create a new instance of the Chrome PDF renderer, and this will allow you to render HTML content into PDFs with full CSS, JavaScript, and asset support. With the render ready, we point it to our zip file. The zip contains the HTML file plus its images, CSS, and the scripts. We also tell the IronPDF which HTML file inside the zip is the starting page to render. So IronPDF automatically extracts the zip, resolves the assets, and then renders the HTML exactly as it would appear in a browser, then converts it into a PDF. And then finally, we save the rendered PDF to disk under the name output.pdf. And that is all it takes to generate a PDF from a zipped HTML package. All right, so let's go ahead and run the application and wait for it to process the zip file. And there you go. Your HTML content from the zip file has been successfully rendered as a single polished PDF document. With IronPDF, you can do much more than just rendering zip files. You can generate PDFs from URLs, local HTML files, and strings, as well as merge, split, watermark, and edit PDFs with ease. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want some more tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. There's a link below in the description. Check it out.